A genie just fell from the sky.
Greetings, mortal. You woke me up. What's your wish?
Money! I wish for a mountain of gold. Whoa! It's real! I'm rich!
Wait. Before you spend it, cook me something delicious first.
Deal! Beef it is! Let's cook! Beef!
Butter! Rosemary leaves! Garlic! Oil! Oh no!
Ah! My window!
We're so sorry, Daisy!
It was an accident. You clean, I'll fix this.
Fresh mushrooms for you!
All right, apology accepted.
Mushrooms! Butter! Green sauce! Salt! Pepper! White wine!
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow! Delicious!
I want to eat this now.
So yummy! I love it!